As leaks over the last few weeks have revealed, Samsung is working on the Galaxy Watch 6 series. The wearable should launch at the company's upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event in late July. While there have also been rumors and reports about the upcoming Galaxy Watch's specs, there have not been any leaks surrounding its price. That's changing now as a new report sheds light on the Galaxy Watch 6 lineup's French pricing. Dealebs managed to get their hands on the Galaxy Watch 6 launch prices in France. The 40mm variant of the smartwatch might retail for €319.99 in graphite and cream colors, with the model with 4G connectivity setting you back by €369.99. As for the 44mm version, it will cost €349.99, with the 4G model being priced at €399.99. The watch should be available in graphite and silver shades. Samsung seemingly does not intend to release a Galaxy Watch 5 Pro successor this year. Instead, it has plans to bring back the classic model, complete with its physical rotating bezel. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic will apparently launch in 43mm and 47mm casings, with the smaller variant coming in at €419.99. As for the bigger 47mm variant, you could have to shell out €449.99 for it in France. Cellular connectivity might cost you an additional €50 on the mentioned prices. If the leak is accurate, the Galaxy Watch 6 could be about €20 more expensive than the Watch 5, which given the steep inflation is not a massive hike. Since the Watch 6 Classic won't have the same rugged body as the Watch 5 Pro, they reportedly won't carry as high a price tag as the latter. You can get the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro for €469 in France, so the Watch 6 Classic could be about €50 cheaper at launch. While a direct conversion won't be accurate, the Galaxy Watch 6 lineup's leaked French pricing suggests it should carry the same or a slightly higher price tag than its predecessor in the US. Add in the yearly improvements and attractive launch trade-in deals, and Samsung's upcoming smartwatches could make for a compelling upgrade for older Tizen Galaxy Watch users. That's it for today. What do you think about the leaked Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 pricing? Let me know in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.